50,000. You said 10,000. No, just one, 10,000. Oh, this is the train tracks? Oh, okay. So, dito na ako ngayon sa... Oh my God. Okay. Guys, dito ako ngayon sa...
No walking, no, no walking.
Sorry, no. Coffee. Yeah, I'm going to buy coffee. Coffee again. They don't want to allow us to come over here because we don't buy a coffee. I said, okay, we're gonna buy a coffee.
Yes.
Yeah, so we have to say that we're gonna buy a coffee. Yung ganap dito, guys, kung hindi ka makapasok dito kapag hindi ka umorder ng beverage dito sa cafe nila. Kailangan umorder ka ng beverage nila dito, guys. Kung hindi ka papicture dito sa pinakasikat na destination dito sa Hanoi. At saka tingnan mo naman, super chaos. Super busy, guys. Tingnan mo naman.
Ano, ito, di ba?
Oh my God. It's over there. Alright. Pwede na ba? Yan, so kung makikita mo, guys, ang daming mga tourists dito dumadaan, guys, para lang makipag-picture dito sa guys, sa gitna ng railway. So we have to order, guys, while we're sitting here, or else they're gonna throw us away. So I'm gonna order. How much? How much? Mahal yan, guys, na. Basta foreigner. Oh, 80. Okay. No. Oh, no. Just wait. How much you have? How much is this? How much is this? How much? Yung presyo ni Kuya, makamandag. It's okay. Thank you. Oh, no, thank you. It's okay. No, it's okay, thank you. No, it's okay. I'm gonna electric fan. No, it's okay, thank you. Thank you. I only have electric fan. Guys, hindi pa nakalis si Kuya, guys. Kasi 80,000 dong. Tapos sabi niya, magkano yung gusto mo? Sabi ko naman, kalahati. Tapos binigay niya sa akin. Parang first time na makakita kami ng ng train dito. It's like everyone's like first time to see this train. But only in Hanoi, guys, because mango smoothie. That's expensive. What's going on? So I think we Oh my God, I can hear it, guys. I can hear it.
Inside for me.
Ito na, guys. Oh my God.
Inside for me. Inside for me.
Oh my God, guys. We're all in Hanoi. What? It's like we haven't seen any train in our life. Yeah. And it is so fun. Yeah. Oh my God. No. Thank you. No. I already have that one. Thank you. Bebenta siya ng kaniyang paninda. Hindi na ako pwedeng bumili niyan kasi meron na ako niyan, guys. I already have that. So, ito yung mga tao dito guys. Tapos na silang tumingin ng eksena dito sa Hanoi. Pop star. Napaka-aggressive ng business dito guys. So, makabili nga tayo. Ano yan? What is that? How much? 10,000? Just one. This one more. This is like a sweet, like a snack. Snack? Yeah, okay. 10,000. 10,000 for one? 10,000. Let me see if I have a 10,000 here. Yeah. What's that? 10,000? Huh? 50,000? You said 10,000. No, just one, 10,000. Just one, 10,000. Just one. Yeah, one, only one. I don't want to eat everything. I just want to try. Ang mahal, 10,000. 10,000 lang guys. For this one, 10,000. Change. That's 20,000. I gave you 20,000. Yeah, I gave you 20,000. It's my change.
20,000.
Yes, I give you 20,000. Where's my change? Oh my god. She said 10,000. I give her 20,000. And then she doesn't have it. No, where's my change? Where's my 10? No. No, it's okay. Give my money. I don't have money. No, you gave me 10,000. No, just give me. Oh, okay. Oh, sorry.
Lost in translation.
Oh yeah, we're lost in transaction now. Transaction and transition. I think it's really expensive here, rather than like outside. Tourist price. Oh my god, even my smoothie is like 50,000.
Yeah. 70,000. No.
Say 20,000. How about 20,000?
Thinking about what I'm prepared to then.
Yeah, she asked you to have a discount. If you says like 50, if you try 20, maybe she's gonna.
I think 20,000.
20,000.
Yeah, 20.
20,000 dong.
25.
That's really beautiful though.
They are really nice.
Yeah,
Big,
I love the
My
art.
mum would love that.
How about 20,000?
20,000 about very small money. About only $1.
Two for 20,000, one for me.
Okay, 25. How much do you give?
Okay, you buy any car for 50. 70 any car for 50,000. 50,000 about only $2. Very small money. This big, but this I make for
Well,
one.
I'm not from America.
Hey,
Yeah.
American dollar.
you can see. Hey.
I'm from Philippines.
Yeah.
Philippine rate.
Okay, only 50,000.
20,000. Too expensive.
How much you give me?
25,000.
Okay, last price, yeah? 30,000. Last price.
Okay, now.
No, 30. I give you 30.
Now. Very cheap, only 40. 60 any car for only 40.
Up to you, yeah? I give 30.
Okay.
For this one, I give 30.
It's a simple art, but
Yeah, it is.
And you?
It's actually cheap.
35.
25.
35.
35, okay.
35. Yeah, here you go.
Okay, I have envelope.
I think help the local people.
Yeah. I've already been ripped off a few times.
Me too.
Yes.
This is my third days. I feel like I'm done. Even like changing my money, it's always like ripping me off. No. I'm already had that one. Oh my god. Oh my god, she's mad now. Yeah. I think a lot of them are aggressive here.
Okay, because you're so nice, I give you.
Alright, napabili si Kuya ng kanyang paninda. Alright, mine 35,000, right? He bought 35,000 dong. 35,000 for me, okay? Okay, so I would love this. No, not that one. This one is so beautiful. And this. No?
The big one. Okay, you want to buy this?
Alright, just one. But I want to buy two. No, not that one. Too simple. How about this? 35. Huh?
This for big one.
35. How about that? 35.
I see for big one.
How much?
Big one is 60 for one.
Oh, it's big. Okay, so how much is this?
60.
60. How about 50?
60. 60. Okay, okay for two for.
Let me try this.
I try again.
How about this? Oh, how about the sun wheel? This and 50, 50, 100.
120.
No, 100. I said 50, 50. 100, okay? 100. Okay.
Okay, I have envelope.
Okay, you have envelope? Oh, come on. Thank you. Thank you. So guys, gusto ko rin i-try dito sa ano guys, sa gitna. Chaos ang kalabasan. Yeah. Normal. Basta normal. So ito. So kanina guys, napaka crazy ng extra na dito kasi maraming mga tourist dito guys. Pero pinapasok nila doon sa sa restaurant kasi natatakot sila na baka yung police suhulihin sila guys. So the people are coming back here and then their life is coming back here na guys. So that's it. Dito tayo ngayon sa Vincom Center. Tara, let's go! Thank you. Finally, nakatapak na ako sa kanilang one of the biggest mall here in Hanoi. So that's the Estee Lauder and then Makeup Forever. So do you have that MAC also? Okay, meron din sila nito. Okay, 1,001 million. Going up, we're going to the food court. Oh my god, buffet. That's why there's a lot of lines here. So this is the Korean #1 tteokbokki buffet. It's a Korean restaurant.
Turn left.